Hi everyone! Imagine a tree that can grow really fast, up to 3 meters in just 10 months. That's moringa. This amazing plant doesn't just survive, it grows really well. It's full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's learn more about this awesome tree. First up, let's talk about your heart. It's the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. Moringa tea is like a warm hug for your heart. Imagine wrapping your heart in a cozy blanket. Why? Because it's full of antioxidants like quercetin. These are like tiny fighters protecting your heart. Think of quercetin as a guard for your blood vessels. It keeps the bad stuff out and lets the good stuff in. It tells stress to go away, helping your blood vessels relax and get bigger. This means better blood flow and less work for your heart. The result? Lower blood pressure and a happier, healthier heart. You can enjoy your favorite activities without worrying about your heart. But wait, there's more. Moringa tea has another cool trick. Moringa tea also has chlorogenic acid. This is like a secret weapon for your health. This clever compound helps control sugar in your blood. It makes sure sugar is absorbed slowly. It slows down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar levels steady. No more sudden spikes or crashes. And steady blood sugar means a happier heart in the long run. You can keep your energy up and your heart healthy. So, how about we raise a cup of moringa tea to heart health? It's a simple, tasty way to show your heart some love. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Cheers to a life full of energy and joy. Now let's talk about inflammation. You know, that burning feeling your body gets when it's trying to fight off something bad. Some inflammation is okay, but too much can cause problems. Moringa tea has special stuff in it that helps cool down the inflammation. Scientists found that moringa can lower blood sugar and reduce inflammation, especially in the eyes. So if you have sore joints, irritated skin, or other inflammation issues, moringa tea might help you feel better. Next up, let's talk about your brain. It's the part of your body that controls everything you do, like thinking, feeling, moving, and even breathing. We all want to keep our brains sharp, right? Whether it's solving puzzles, reading a fun book, or working on a project, we want our minds to be at their best. Well, moringa tea can help your brain. Imagine drinking tea that tastes good and makes your brain work better. This tea has vitamins E and C, which are super important for your brain. These vitamins protect your brain from bad stuff that can hurt it. They keep your brain cells safe from damage caused by free radicals, which are tiny things that can harm your body. Free radicals are everywhere, like in the air we breathe and the food we eat, and they can cause damage over time. But moringa tea does even more. Vitamins E and C help your brain work better. They improve memory, mood, and make you think more clearly. Imagine remembering things easily, feeling happier, and thinking clearly. That's what these vitamins do. So next time you feel tired or need a brain boost, drink some moringa tea. It's a tasty way to help your brain. It's like giving your brain a refreshing boost, helping you stay sharp and focused all day. Now let's talk about something important, digestion. It's a normal part of life, and having a healthy stomach is really important. The good news is, moringa tea can help with digestion. Think of it as a gentle helper for your stomach. Its fiber works like a brush for your intestines, helping things move along and keeping you regular. No more constipation. So if you want to keep your digestion smooth, a cup of moringa tea might be just what you need. These days, we're surrounded by bad stuff. From the air we breathe to the food we eat. No wonder our bodies need help to stay clean inside. But guess what? Moringa tea can help. This tea is great for cleaning out bad stuff. It's full of good things like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which work like little Pac-Men, eating up the bad stuff that can hurt our cells. But moringa tea does even more. It has chlorophyll, the green stuff in plants. So if you want to help your body stay clean, try moringa tea. We all want nice, shiny hair, right? Moringa tea might be the secret to getting it. Skin and hair health expert. This tea has lots of vitamin A, which helps your hair grow. Vitamin A helps make sebum, a natural oil. Sebum keeps your hair shiny and stops it from getting dry and breaking. Moringa tea also has zinc, which helps your hair grow. So drinking moringa tea gives your hair what it needs to be long, strong, and healthy. Who doesn't love having bright, glowing skin? We all want that, right? Having clear and shiny skin can make you feel really good. Well, moringa tea isn't just good for your body. It's great for your skin too. People have been drinking it for a long time because it's healthy, and now it's also known to help your skin. This amazing tea has a lot of vitamin C, which is super important for making collagen. Collagen helps keep your skin stretchy and firm. Collagen is like the support that keeps your skin firm and young-looking. Without enough collagen, your skin can get saggy and wrinkly. By drinking moringa tea, you're giving your body the vitamin C it needs to make more collagen and keep your skin looking great. Imagine starting your day with a cup of this healthy tea and knowing it's good for your skin. Moringa tea also has antioxidants like zeatin and chlorogenic acid. These help protect your skin from damage that can make you look older. And if you have acne or redness, moringa tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm your skin and make it clearer. So why not try moringa tea and see how it can help your skin? We all know that calcium is important for strong bones, but did you know that moringa tea can help your bones too? That's right. Moringa tea has lots of calcium, which is the mineral that helps build strong bones. Calcium helps keep bones strong and prevents them from getting weak, which can happen if you don't get enough calcium. But moringa tea does even more. It also has magnesium, another mineral that helps bones stay strong. So by drinking moringa tea, you're giving your body two important minerals for strong bones, helping to keep your bones healthy for a long time. If you've ever had trouble breathing, you know how hard it can be. Moringa tea might help you feel better. This tea has lots of good stuff like vitamin C and quercetin, which can help keep your lungs healthy. These help reduce damage and swelling in your lungs, making it easier to breathe. So if you want to help your lungs, try drinking moringa tea. Our kidneys work hard to clean our blood and get rid of waste, so it's important to take care of them. Did you know? Moringa tea can help your kidneys. This tea helps you pee more, which gets rid of extra water and salt from your body. This can help keep your blood pressure healthy. By doing this, it makes your kidneys' job easier so they can work better. So, drinking moringa tea helps your whole body and gives your kidneys the care they need. Scientists are still studying if moringa can help our hearing, but there's some good news that it might. Moringa tea has lots of good stuff like antioxidants and things that fight swelling, which can protect our body cells even in our ears. These good things might help keep our ear cells safe from damage, which could help us hear better for longer. We need more studies to be sure, but drinking moringa tea might be a smart way to help keep your ears healthy and protect your hearing. Want to try moringa? Here's an easy recipe for moringa tea. 1 tablespoon dried moringa leaves, 1 cup boiling water, juice of half a lemon and half an orange, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, fresh mint leaves for garnish, ice cubes and lemon orange slices, if serving cold. Pour boiling water over moringa leaves and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Add lemon and orange juice. Sweeten with honey if you want. Enjoy your moringa tea and all its health benefits. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay healthy and see you next time.